Okay, this is a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander blower motor replacement. It's easy. So underneath you have this cover right here, right underneath your glove box. 2 clips, pop them out. Little wire for the light. And underneath you got the blower motor. Pretty easy to access. We have one, I think we got like 2, 3 screws. And wiring harness. Push it. Okay. With the new motor. Now I gotta actually use the motor because the new motor is like $400. The used one, $60 from the spot. It's actually off eBay. It's off a wrecked Outlander. That was the 17, 18, 19. It's all gonna be the same. Yeah, pretty easy. One thing I would recommend is that you make sure the parts match up. Okay, because Rock Auto has different motors. And the original one has this little, I guess it's like a vent or something. So you gotta just make sure you get the same one. Has like a vent off to the side. It's in the back. I'll pull it out. But yeah, make sure that the motors match up, because there's like cheaper ones on Rock Auto, and it's like, I don't know, they're dirt cheap, $40 or something. But the problem is that this like vent tube right here isn't in it, so aren't on those. So just make sure you get the right one. Here's the part model. If you wanted the original one, it should be good with this one. And yeah, those are the only 2 things. The only thing I think is weird is that it, you know, the motor went out pretty soon. I mean, this is what we're in 2020. Is a 17. Didn't last very long. It's really weird. But what my symptoms were that the fan was, you know, just stopped. It'd start to make like a low growl and then just stopped. So then if you get through your glove box, there's your filter. Pull the filter out. It's easy. And then you can actually touch the blades here. And then you can just spin them. And then the motor will start back up. So the motor must be going out. And that's the reason why I'm changing mine out. I'll shoot another one as soon as I get this thing out, because I only got one hand. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. It's in and out. Look, same one, just the used one. This is the old one now. Now, the reason why you need that vent, this port on the side, is because this looks like it's cooling the motor. Which is weird that, I mean, I don't know if that's coming out on camera. It's making like a little bit of a rub. So I don't know what overheated it. Maybe the air filter, I didn't change it out. It does get really dirty. I drive a lot, so I'm assuming the dust and debris got into it. You will need the small screwdriver to get to the back bolt nut screw. And the front ones are easy. Cords just pops right off. mostly making the video so then everybody knows where to access it, because there isn't anything for this year. Hopefully it's helpful. Change air filters, because I think that might be why it went out. I don't know if I'll take it apart any further. But yeah. All right.